Welcome everybody, my name is Marco Zampolli and I'm working for Advantech Europe. Today I will introduce you to Advantech wide system technology. Since the beginning, the PC evolution has been led only by performance improvement. Then, thanks to the performance step improvement that follow the Moore's law, we are now able to meet the computational power request by the customer. So Advantech today is looking for meet some other customer requests. So the details are now becoming important. Why we need a quiet industrial PC in an industrial environment? First of all, because an industrial PC is assuring a high reliability and a full operational working in a harsh environment. Furthermore, the systems are designed in order to get long life cycle support. If we consider that more and more the customer request is to have a TANDIS system close to so the operator is close to the system, we can understand why the system acoustic performance is becoming more and more important. Some examples are air traffic control or traffic control system room, or for example power substation. The acoustic level measurement is done following a test setup described as ISO 7779, and below you can see some examples of different acoustic level. The thermal acoustic integration can be improved thanks to the fan speed control or improving the impedance of the system, and finally to select better components that are providing the same specification, technical specification, with better acoustic performance. For sure, an acoustic key component for acoustic performance are the fan. We are able to find fans in an industrial PC into the chassis, on the CPU, and for sure on the power supply. The Advantech decided to enable the fan speed control. It means that we are able to modulate the speed of the fans. And this speed is driven by our mainboard. Our mainboard is getting the information from the internal chassis temperature, from the CPU and temperature, and from the CPU power. Thanks to this input, it is able to drive the fan speed. Why we are doing this? This is our way of control. So we have a lower threshold, that is the minimum airflow needed to run properly the system. We have a maximum airflow, that is the airflow needed for the maximum performance, and then we are modulating the speed among the different environment conditions. Why we are doing this? Because it is clear from the lab result that if we are able to decrease the speed fans rotation, we are also able to decrease the noise of the fans. Furthermore, we are selecting on the market the best fans component. We are selecting the ball bearings fan in order to have better acoustic performance and better MTBF, because MTBF is a key point for industrial PC. Furthermore, since we are modulating the speed, we are also improving the overall life of the fan. Furthermore, if we consider that the fans are the most critical components in a chassis, in a system, we are sure that we are also improving the MTBF, the mean time between failure of the system, overall system. Another key point is the system impedance. We are working in order to improve the system impedance, and our system now are lower impedance. It means that with the same airflow, we are able to have a lower static pressure. It means lower noise with the same airflow. Advantech, since it is an IPC world leader, has improved his chassis design in order to decrease the impedance and implemented the smart fan technology on all his new board. This means that we are able to deliver you a system capable of working at 35 dB. It means that the system is between a library and a silent room. For the future, Advantech will improve again his portfolio of chassis, and starting from now, all the new boards that will be placed on the market will have the smart fan control inside, already enabled. So Advantech is able to deliver you the best rugged system with only 35 dB of noise. If you want to discover more about this technology, or if you want to know more about Advantech product, please come and visit us at SPS in Nuremberg.